Hi beauties, welcome back to our channel. So for today's video, I actually have my hair kind of like crazy right now, but I actually am really excited because I have BoxyCharm again. I actually stopped subscribing to BoxyCharm for quite a while, but then there's some stuff that really piqued my interest, so I wanted to try it again. I did finally get my box in. This is just the base box for the month of June. We have quite a lot of things. They actually gave me an extra item just for coming back and being part of the BoxyCharm family again. So we'll just quickly go through each item, and then I'll kind of let you know like my thoughts, if it's something that I'll actually use, or if I think it's something that I like, I guess. Okay, so I'm just gonna read off the info card that they gave us. The first thing we have is the Madrid City Skin Overnight Detox Moisturizer. Here she is. She is really pretty. I like a good moisturizer. I'm really stuck on my current skincare, and my skin's been like really sensitive, but this bottle looks super nice and really expensive. It actually retails for $74 retail full price. Comes off like this, and it looks like you actually have to, and it comes out like that. It doesn't smell like anything. It has a clear scent to it, so that's good. $74, our first item up. That's a huge item. I'm definitely really interested and probably going to try that. Give you some more thoughts later, but I'm really wanting and intrigued to try that and use that. All right, so the next thing we have is the C-A-B Cosmetic Day and Night Eyeshadow Palette. This one. Now this one retails for $52. Looks like it is a new launch. Oh, there's a lot of shades in here. And they give you a really nice sized mirror. I'm definitely going to want to play with these and use a few of these. Let's just swatch a few just so that we can get like... Ooh, that one's pretty. That's really gorgeous too. I'm definitely really excited about this item. I'm not sure if I've ever heard of the brand, and I'm not sure how I feel about the $52 price point, but I like it so far. All right, so the next thing is the Skincare My Daily Dose of Uplift. And this is by Skin Incorporated Supplement Bar. It's supposed to contour signs of aging with collagen, energize the skin. Here's what it looks like on the back if you want to read that. These things always make me really nervous, like trying new skincare products, because I really do like the items that I currently have, and trying new things. I do break out quite easily. I finally got my skin kind of okay. That does retail for $65. The next thing that we have is the Ciate London Glitter Flip. Oh my gosh, this brings me back to my very first video on YouTube with my channel. I actually did the Ciate London Glitter Flip liquid lipsticks. But now they actually have an eyeshadow formula. Here's what she looks like. And it looks like it is a liquid eyeshadow. These do retail for $20 each. Okay, so it started off green and it's slowly like flipping to purple. That's really pretty and really cute. I really like that idea. Okay, so the last thing that we have is the Mellow Cosmetics Lip Gloss. This does retail for $18. Here's what she looks like. Ooh, we can actually try this on today. It might be cute with my lipstick. I'm not really sure about that item, but I do really like the color. I think it's really pretty. It was a little bit darker than my lip gloss, but that's okay. It kind of blended in. Those do retail for $18. Now, I did mention we had an extra item that they did give me. I don't have information on it, so I don't know what it retails for. I apologize. But I think it's probably like $30, $32. This is the Queen. A Queen Lies in All of Us, and this is from Eloise. The Queen palette poses a merch industry of life, femininity, strength. Each color tells a story. Each color holds infinite power and carries a unique narrative. All colors are inspired by stories, tales, and legends of kingdoms, taking you from a journey in time from the past to the present, an era of femininity, grace, and power. 20 pigment pan and 4 stunning texture, 8 buttery mattes, 6 shimmers, 1 pressed pearl, 4 McTellas, and 1 dual chrome topper. I love that they broke it down that way. It is cruelty free. I'm not seeing that where it says it's vegan. It does have a 12-month shelf life, so I might not actually use this because I tend to like stick with things that are vegan and cruelty free. I'll look it up and do some more research to see if it is vegan. But there is a lot of stunning colors in here and definitely something fun to very play with. I was actually looking for a blue like that for this look, but I found it from a different eyeshadow palette. I think the description gave you everything you needed to know about it. I can swatch a few. Oh, look at that blue. Yeah, that blue is stunning. I've just been into like a pop of blue lately, and that blue is absolutely stunning. Okay, guys, so that is it for this box. I really like this palette. Again, just from like the few swatches that I did, I thought it was really pretty and really beautiful. I want to actually play with it and actually figure out if they are vegan. I don't have a price point on that. This glitter flip eyeshadow, I like that it switched from that chrome green to that really pretty purple shade. I'm really excited to try that. This palette I thought was also very good, and I want to try it as well. Again, this one says it is cruelty free, but it says absolutely nothing about being vegan. So again, I'll probably look that up before I actually try the shades. Then this moisturizer, it is the most expensive item in the box. Something that you wear overnight, and maybe I'll give it a try after my daily baths or nightly baths that I do. This one I'm a little nervous about just because I don't generally try a lot of skincare. I generally just like stick to my little crab shell and stay in there. But I've heard a lot of good reviews about it, so I'll definitely have to give that a try. All in all, for a base box, I don't think they did a terrible job this month. I really like a lot of the items that they have put in here, so I would definitely give this box this month a 5-star rating. Thank you guys so much for watching and spending time with me. If you did like this video, give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe so you can be entered into our giveaway, which we will have an updated picture end of June, and then we'll actually start it on my birthday. So until the next day, guys, stay beautiful, stay sexy.